strong.
Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to be drawing a sort of different cartoon character. My niece absolutely loves her and her name is Peppa Pig. So we're gonna start first with the circle for Peppa's head. And then another circle sort of on a diagonal up. And this is going to be her snout, the pig snout. And 2 circles inside. Along the bottom of this circle, we're gonna just join it like that. And then this top gets joined to the very top of the original circle that we drew. Okay, perfect. So on that same diagonal, I'm just gonna draw a construction line so you can see. We're gonna draw a circle here for Peppa's cheek. And typically I would draw the cartoon eyes sort of here and on the other side of the snout, but Peppa's eyes are both on the one side of her face. I think that's what makes the cartoon look so funny and different. So I'm going to do another construction line here so I can make sure my eyes are lined up. And a circle and a circle. Circles inside. And she has a nice smile. Her ears, one starts in between her eyes, and it's just a very curved, almost like a sausage shape or a curved U, like that. And then her body comes out in a curve and another curve, straight across at the bottom. Very simple. Her little pigtail comes out of the bottom portion and it's a curve up, loop around. So kind of like the letter E, and then out, just like that. She has stick arms. Typically in drawing in my classes, we don't do stick arms, but Peppa has stick arms, so that's what we're gonna do. So she has a stick out, and then 2 lines on either side, so 3 fingers. And the same on the other side, but we're doing it out of this curve, so I'm not going inside her body. So a line, and then 2 sticks like that. And then her little legs come out, 2 lines together like that, and then ovals in the same direction for her feet. So that's it. The difference is that Peppa's not outlined in black. The only black areas for Peppa are the pupils as well as her shoes. Her body, the pig part of it, is outlined in a darker pink. her dress is outlined in a red. Her cheek is a brighter pink. And then the rest is colored in with a lighter pink and an orangey red. So I'm gonna erase my pencil line and then finish coloring. There you have it, a really simple drawing, Peppa the Pig. Thanks for joining me. I'd love to see your creations. Tag us on Instagram, Stoney Creek School of Art. Don't forget to subscribe and like our videos so you can be notified when we draw more. And until next time, we'll see you then. Thanks, bye.